Hi everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen, where all my Filipino recipes are all presented in English. Today's recipe is musical beef adobo. I got adobo, 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 adobo. Oh, you know what I mean? Just go with the flow. I'm a dancer, not a singer. We call this musical beef adobo because it's an organ adobo. Wait until the end of this video for a sneaky peek of some of my other recipes. Here are the ingredients of my musical beef adobo: beef kidney, beef liver, beef heart, tomato, cooking oil, ginger, vinegar, bay leaves, chili pepper, ground black pepper, soy sauce, onion, and garlic. Now let's start cooking. In the preheated pan, add the cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the garlic. There. It's okay. Now we can add the ginger. It's there. Smells lovely. This is going to be a very delicious musical beef adobo. Now we can add the onion. Now the onion soft, add the tomato. Mix it up. Smells absolutely gorgeous. Now the onion is soft. Just add the bay leaves and the chili pepper. Mix it up. And now we can add the beef kidney. Beef liver. And the beef heart. Mix it all up. Oh wow, look at that. Looks so good. Wow, this beef adobo smells lovely. You hear that sizzling? This musical beef adobo is almost singing. For a minute, add the ground black pepper. Give it a stir. And then add the vinegar and the soy sauce. Mix it up. Cover and simmer on a low heat. Okay guys, while waiting for it to cook, let's have some music. Okay guys, we better check the food. Whew. Let's turn this off. After 15 minutes, my beef adobo is now ready. Let's taste it. Wow, that's a cracking beef adobo. I hope you enjoy my beef adobo recipe today. And if you like it, then like it. If you love it, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon.